So here it is. Here it is. Here it is. I followed the rules. I followed the rules. This is referring to when I did not remember the song. I learned the song years ago, but I did not remember the song. So what did I do to make everything work? I followed the steps that I taught in my shorts. What I did was I listened for the rhythm. I didn't overplay. I left room. I kept space. I let silence work for me. And then I would play little licks. Because I would know what the chord was. I could hear the chord quality. So that was the second thing. And then I didn't try to play scales. I didn't try to go, nah. That would have definitely exposed me. So those are the rules to when you don't understand what the song is, you don't know where you're going to go. Sit back, relax, don't panic. Let the rhythm work with you and you work with the rhythm. Listen to the movement and play behind the music. Play behind the chord. If they went to the, you can play right behind it. Something like that. And then play a little line. All of those things came after. Go back and listen to the video. Watch it. And I'm pretty stone-faced when I did it. But just watch it and see how I approached it. And all the rules that I taught in the short, it's there. Hey, if you're enjoying what I'm sharing, please feel free to join the Fretboard Freedom Lab community. You can reach me at fretboardfreedomlab@gmail.com. fretboardfreedomlab@gmail.com. I hope to see you in the lab.